Wow. This looks just like glossy spaghetti. And it's so very, very long. Hi guys, today we're going to be making glossy spaghetti. First, we're going to be using our water. We're going to put our water in these 3 bowls. And then my favorite color, purple food coloring. And then we're going to be using calcium lactate and sodium alginate. So we're going to be mixing our purple food coloring in our water. We're going to add our sodium alginate. We're going to start mixing it with our fun spoon. We're going to mix it up until we get this color. After mixing them up, we're going to have these 3 colors. And we're going to be using these 3 colors to make these 3 colors. Green, purple, and red. So we're going to be adding this calcium in all these 3 bowls. And then we're going to mix them. We're going to mix them until they dissolve. Once all dissolved, we're going to use our food colorings. This one's for this one, this one's for this one, and this one's for this one. So let's put our food colorings back and let's use this green one and put it in here. It's pretty hard to open. There's a bit of a mess here, but don't worry about that. Now that's enough. So let's see how it works now. Oh, wow, it's so glossy. It's kind of like slime. Now we're gonna add the red one. It's pretty hard to open, like the other one. So we're gonna, whoa, that came out fast. Now we're gonna mix it. Now let's see how that one turned out. Wow, it's just like the other one, glossy but orangey and slimy. Let's try the other one, purple. Favorite color. That was not that hard. Now let's put it in. Let's see here. Let's pick it up. Oopsie. Whoa, there's a big chunk, but it's a little orange and this slime. It's just like slime. It's glossy and purpley. We're gonna add all of them into the bowl and oopsie. We're gonna have fun. That's better. Good thing it didn't fall in the spill. Yeah, that's a lot, and that's really green. Now let's see if it's more. Whoa! It's glossy and spaghetti, and it's just like slime. It feels good, feels like slime. Let's move on to the next one. Let's open this. Oh my god, that was hard. Get some of my hands. Now let's put everything in. Not everything. Now we're gonna pick it up with our finger and see if it's enough. Wow, it's orangey, glossy, and spaghetti, just like it. Now let's move on to the next one. Purple, my favorite color. Keep on saying that. Now let's put it in. Now let's stop and see the results. Wow, it's purpley, slimy, and it's glossy like spaghetti. And I love the lines. So this is all we have to do here. And we have green, red. It's kind of red, but it's orange and purple. I love making these colors. We're gonna pick them up and see what we get. Wow. This looks just like glossy spaghetti, and it's so very, very long. Let's move on to the next one. Wow, this one's long as so pretty and glossy spaghetti. Let me move on to the next one. And that one looks pretty, very pretty. Wow, look at it stretch out. It's like pretty and it's glossy spaghetti. As also, it's like a big chunk, but it's beautiful. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.